As I radically shared earlier, I believe that Psalm 8 is a psalm that speaks directly to Māori, directly to all Indigenous peoples, and directly to all those impacted by the crushing effects of colonisation. The psalm offers hope in light of the intergenerational trauma of imperialism, and this hope is found in the affirmation that God's heart is near to all those who suffer, that He strengthens us and has a purpose for us. Secondly, I believe the theme of Kaitiakitanga, inherent within Te Ao Māori and focused on in Psalm 8, should be paid more attention to by the wider church and society, particularly in light of the current climate crisis. Instead of approaching the issue in an authoritarian way, as many seek to do, God has flipped the narrative. And instead of calling us to be rulers of creation, He calls us to be servants to creation. This may be a challenging thought for non-Indigenous people to hear, let alone to action. But as Māori, our inherent connection, knowledge, and link to the Taiao makes us prime vessels to be good servants, to be kaitiaki. Just as I saw my koro's connection with the rainbow, he intuitively understood the signs of creation, but did not seek to rule over it, instead to partner alongside. Practically for my whānau, as keen fishermen, Dad and I practice Kaitiakitanga by sticking to our quota, throwing back the undersized fish, sharing the catch, and acknowledging the provision, safety, and wondrous creation revealed to us.